Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Maximal Studios. I am Shubham Rasal, and today we are going to be discussing how we solved a problem at our own agency. Before we start, let me tell you what Maximal Studio does. We build internal AI tools that save time and money. If you need any help with your AI, please contact us. Get back to the main problem. Usually, what we do to find new blog posts is that we go to this tool called Google Trends and search for, say, AI automation. You can see that it shows you the interest over worldwide interest, say, for past 12 months. You can see that it's rising, but this is not particularly interesting. The more interesting part is the related queries. So this part tells you what people are searching for and how much is it rising. So what we used to do is we used to get these related queries and then write blog posts around those keywords. So we thought, okay, this seems like a pretty straightforward workflow to automate. That's what we did in our tool called N10. So N10 is like a free tool that lets you build automations that do operational stuff. You can sign in and follow along with us. So if you want this exact workflow, you can go to our site, and in the resources section there will be an automation resources part. You can copy the URL and then paste it here, so you'll get this exact workflow. Along with that, you'll have to create like a sheet with these three tables: query, idea 1, idea 2, and idea 3. So what it will do is when you put a query in, it will give you ideas for your blog post. First part, let me show you a demo of our workflow and then I'll explain how each part works. So let me put like a query related to that, say voice agents, voice AI agents. So now what is happening here is this query has been sent to SERPy AI. SERPy AI is a tool that lets you query Google through an API. And there is a specific API they have called the Google Trends API. So whatever you can see on this page, Google Trends page, say related queries, topics, etc., can be fetched through this API and then feed it into your automation. So that's what is happening here. So this query is sent to this API, then this API sends the query to our AI agent. So now this AI agent is powered by an OpenAI model. So in our case, we are using GPT-4o Mini, and we are still on the free credits for N10, but you can create your own account on OpenAI and put it here. It is very cheap to use this particular model for this use case. Now what we do is we get the output from SERPy API, and then we have a system prompt that you are a curator for content, etc., and we have given context about our own company, and we ask it to create an array of like blog. So what that does is it whatever output the SERPy API sent and puts it through an AI model and then updates the sheet with that. So as you can see, voice AI agent, it created these three different ideas. So leveraging AI tools for workflow automation, then VP and AI. So VP is like, say, a voice AI provider. So that's the impact of customer service. So it was able to find all interesting queries and the rising queries through Google and then create ideas for our content generation. Now this content can be then, so this workflow is quite extensible. So in future we can add new nodes with AI agents that curate blog posts based on our company's profile and how we can solve that problem, and then automate the content generation and publishing as well. Yeah, in future this workflow can be easily extended by adding new AI agents that actually create blog post completely and then put them in this particular sheet. So we have already built something similar, which we'll be discussing in the future video. Yeah, please let us know where any feedback you have for this workflow. This workflow is actually saving us like 3+ hours per day, because we used to spend a lot of time finding good blog articles, but now it's completely automated. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel. Yeah, if you know anyone who would benefit from such videos in AI automation, please share it to them. Thank you.